uh, the Boeing store, official merchandise, and we are here in the future of flights. Yeah, it's a huge store. It's a gallery of a lot of things. This is the Boeing store, and we have a lot of stuff there.
The things which you'll be watching in this video, the whole section is the Future of Flights of Aviation Center. This has been established by Boeing, and this is like a tourist place for whoever visits Seattle. And this happened to be in Seattle, and we had been to Seattle for some work from Boeing. The entry to the Future of Flights will be charged, and the charges vary from $10 to $12 based on adult or children, underaged or overaged, or ex-military as such. And the sections in the Future of Flights are: one is the Boeing store, and you have a museum kind of thing which shows you the future things and future technologies in the aviation segment. And one more section would be the Boeing factory, which is amazing. Yeah, we do have a free entry to Boeing factory being a Boeing employee, but better to go through the Future of Flights paying $10 being a Boeing employee, because view of the Boeing factory, and the best part is you will get a guide by yourself who will explain about the history of Boeing and each and every details about the factory. So better to get a guide. It's just $10 being a Boeing employee. If you're not a Boeing employee, it will cost you around $12 for all these entry. And have a look at the Boeing store. You had wonderful merchandise there, and pretty cool stuff. Got some for myself and for my kid.
future of life.